Hello everyone, in this lesson we're going to learn how to check whether a number entered by a user is positive, negative or zero using a simple Python script. First, we ask our users to enter a number using this line. We use input function for this. This is the input function that we are going to use to ask the user. Since input always returns a string, we wrap it with the int function to convert the input to an integer. So this way we can perform numerical comparisons. Next, we use an if statement to check if the number is greater than 0. So this is here where I check the number is greater than 0 or not. So if the condition is true, we print the number is positive. Then we check if the number is exactly equal 0. If this is the case, we're going to print the number is 0. And finally, we check if the number is less than 0. If it is, the number is negative. So we print the number is negative in the output. Thank you for watching.